everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to download stickers from sticker.ly and use them on WhatsApp or iMessage. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you need to download the app. I'll simply download it from Play Store and simply open it after you have downloaded it. Then find the sticker you like. You will see many stickers, thousands of stickers here in sticker.ly, and simply find the sticker you like. You can find a sticker based on keywords like funny, meme or cats. You can search here as you can see, or you can simply create your own sticker from plus icon. You can create the regular or you can create the animated one. Then tap on the sticker pack you like. Suppose I like this. Now to download this or to add this on WhatsApp, you will see the option called add button at the right side corner. Simply click on add. After clicking on add, it will take some time to download. Simply open the WhatsApp, then open any chat, then simply move into your sticker tab. After emoji at the here, you will see the sticker tab and you can see your downloaded stickers from sticker.ly and you can use them in your chat. And that's how easy it to download stickers from sticker.ly. If this helped, like, subscribe and drop your favorite sticker type in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.